Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
Welcome back to plus two second year English set questions. Could you understand? Now let's begin with the question number 1. Here is a pie chart. Right? The pie chart below contains data on India's export of some products in the year 2015 and 16. Could you understand? Okay. Interpreting व्याख्या করছি the data বিবরণী write a paragraph of 70 words on India's export. Here is the pie chart. So here sugar and cement export to the UAE, that is 30 crores rupees, 30 crores.
Colors.
And crores 125 crores, so that is apparel mainly to USA and European countries. Tea and coffee to European and America 50 crores. Leather production Europe and Middle East, that is 40 crores. So we will write the summary. This pie chart shows India's export of some products in the year 2015 and 16. Her export of sugar and cement to the UAE amounted to crores. Where is the cursor? Yes, sir. She earned 50 crores by exporting tea and coffee to Europe and America. Leather products priced at 40 crores were sold to Europe and Middle East. Cloths to the tune of rupees 125 crores were exported to the USA and European countries. So, her export in that year totaled 245 crores. Now let's move to the next one, that is 2. Given below are 5 meanings of the word matter. The meanings are followed by an equal number of sentences in which the word has been used. Match each meaning with the corresponding sentence. Okay? Meanings. Matter. The word is, what is the word? That is matter. 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 Okay?
Matter meaning.
Matter. Yes, matter. Okay, done. The word is matter. It has a different meanings. 5 meanings are given. So let's see. Matter 1. Substance of which something is made. Material for that. Yes. Material for thought. Thought, not dot. Chinta pai. Vishay vastu FIR. B of importance. Substance in a book sentence. Substance in a book. Sentence. Let's do it. So, sentences. Occupying the crease for a long time and slowly building up an innings matters much for a test batsman. So here 1 is equal to D. D means B of importance. B of importance. So this one is a right answer. Option is a D. Could understand? D. Okay. Answer is D.
1D.
Yeah.
1D.
Yeah. Next one is What is the matter between you? Here the answer is FIR. FIR is equal to C. You know the second one is C.
She.
Could understand? No,
To
it's
see.
not. Here we shall write here. That is a C. Okay. Next one is our national security is a matter of a great concern. So material for thought. So material thought चिंतार विषय. चिंतार विषय. So material thought, which is material thought? B.
B.
B. Next one is the matter in the book is good, but the style is far from being so. That is E. Substance in a book. E. This one is E. Right. Next. Done. The matter in book is good. No, this one. Here, see. 4 is E. And
Last is
last
A.
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 Solid, liquid and gases are the three states of matter. Here, substance of which something is made. So it is A. Could you understand? That's all. Now let's see. As a news report correspondence, ତମେ ହେଉଛ ସାମ୍ବାଦିକ. ତମେ ହେଉଛ ସାମ୍ବାଦିକ ବା ସମ୍ବାଦ ପତ୍ରାଳାପ ବାହକ କାରକ. As a news correspondent, you have moved around your city town and watched the puja celebration by the puja committees. Write a report in about 200 words on puja celebration for publication in the daily you represent. So this extract is from +2 second year. What did I say? +2 second year English sample paper. So if necessary you can refer the book for your easy convenience. TBW sample papers. Right? So now let's move. Durga Puja celebration. This is the title. Baripada, 14th October 2017. This year Durga Puja is being celebrated with great religious fervor. Religious dharmic utsaho udipana. Fervor means 50 images of goddess Durga. 50 Durga Murti are being worshipped. Puja Bautra in the on 50 mandapas of the town. The deities on the deity on the 3 mandapas is made of silver. 3 mandapar deity जो मूर्ति देवी रूपारे तैयारी हितला. Silver means rupa, you know. Colorful decoration, ranga berangar साज सजा, beautiful light arrangements, alokar saja, and devotional music have added to the sublimity and grandeur of the celebration. आर सौंदर्यटाको आर सौंदर्य गांभीर्यटाको बढ़े दौला. चमत्कृत. The mandapas have some additional images. आउरी मध्य अनेक अतिरिक्त मूर्ति थिला representing mythological stories. पौराणिक पुराण संबंधी विभिन्न प्रकार मध्य मूर्ति सेठे दुर्गा मेढ़ पाखे थिला. mythological stories and modern concept. आधुनिक concept उपरे मध्य. There are some open shops खोला दुकान पड़ता around the मंडपस चतुर्पार्श्व dealing in different wares. विभिन्न प्रकार से माने जिनस बिकाकिना करते. wares means जिनस. Shops selling toys and balloons, sweets and ice creams have become the attraction of the children. पिलानर आकर्षण केंद्र थिला आइसक्रीम toys etc. The committee members of the puja committees are found very sincere in looking after the convenience of the visitors. देखणाहारी मानकर सुविधा पाई बोली से बहुत ये जो पूजा कमिटी वाला बहुत सतर्क थे पार्टिकुलर थे सिंसियर थे दे हैव आल्सो अरेंज्ड सम शोज टू ग्रिप दी टू अट्रैक्ट द अटेंशन दिस इज द ग्रिप नॉट ग्रिप दिस इज अट्रैक्ट attract attract the attention of the visitors दर्शक मानकर ध्यान दृष्टि आकर्षण करने लगे विभिन्न प्रकार शो से मैंने अरेंजमेंट करते सो ए स्पिरिट ऑफ जॉय एंड डिवोशन इज इन द एयर गोटे वातावरण सृष्टि होता गोटे आनंद महोत्सव वातावरण सृष्टि होता The policemen posted at different मंडपस आर फाउंड very active and watchful भारी सक्रिय थिले एवं they are busy maintaining law and order around the मंडप their vigilance तीक्ष्ण दृष्टि has prevented एड़ेइथिला the antisocial असामाजिक persons from committing crimes अपराध करिवारो सेमाने क्षांत करथिला This year the puja is being celebrated very peacefully and for this the full credit goes to the police and the members of the puja committee because Vikram Das staff reported. Next one is 4. Assuming that you are the secretary of a sports club, write a report in about 200 words on the activities of the club during the previous year and programs. This is programs. Programs for the कार्यक्रम. Programs is कार्यक्रम for the coming year to be read out in the annual meeting of the club. So this is the report. Respected chief guest, estimated invitees, right? Invitees, dear members of the club, ladies, this is ladies. This is ladies. IS. Ladies and gentlemen, I take immense pleasure, विपुल खुशी अनुभव करছি in reading. This is small letter. What did I say? Small letter. Immense pleasure in reading. This is another mistake, that is we will make it a small letter. In reading out the annual report of our sports club for the year 2016 and 17. The club organized this is I. Could understand? This is I. This is I. Organized competitions in football, badminton, volleyball and cricket among its members. The best players were listed to be awarded prizes are listed. At the annual function, this is R. No. Don't touch it, Mr. Basudev. Don't create a problem. So the best players are listed to be awarded prizes at the annual function. Inter club. Where? This is actually where. Just 1 minute. Inter-club competitions were held in cricket and football. Players from different clubs of the district were invited to participate in the competition. एथिरे सहयोग करिया पाइली अंतर हैला माने अन्य क्लब मध्य डका जाइतिला. Experienced referees and umpires were requested to conduct the matches. Competition in indoor. This is in. This is also a mistake. Indoor games like chess, carom, and table tennis were also organized. The club celebrated the Independence Day and the International Yoga Day. The club plans to conduct yoga, both are correct. The club plans to conduct the inter-district competitions in chess and football in the coming years. It also intends to honor two famous cricketers of the state. The local MLA has sanctioned 2 lakhs to prepare the football field of the club in the coming year. That work is to be completed with all sincerity. Next, the club extends its gratefulness Krutajnata to the local MLA for gracing this year's annual function as chief guest and for sanctioning rupees 2 lakhs for the preparation of the football field. I on behalf of Tarafi and the club members thank all who have made the function a success by participating in it. Vinay Kumar Ponda, Secretary Netaji Sports Club, Salipur. With this, that is the end of Salipur. With this, that the village, the name of village, it is like Mundamare or Aska or Barampur town. Okay. And with this, that is the end of today's +2 second year English set. We shall discuss the other questions in our next class. Till then, bye. Thank you.
Ishwar.